Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to change a nickname in an Instagram chat. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device and log in if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, tap the message icon in the top right corner of the home screen to access your chats. You'll see a list of friends you've chatted with before. Find and open the chat where you want to change the nickname. On the chat conversation screen, tap your friend's name or the group name at the top to access the settings. In the settings, scroll down and tap on nicknames under the theme section. You'll see your name and your friend's name listed. Select your name to change the nickname for that specific person. A pop-up screen will appear. Remove the current nickname and type in the new one you want to set. Once you've entered the new nickname, tap Done to confirm. The new nickname will now appear in the chat and be visible to both you and the other person or group members. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.